Hey, welcome back guys, and today in this video I'm going to share the list of best free workout apps for your Android phone. So if you are looking for the same, then watch this video till the end. First on our device is Adidas Training. Here in it, workout experience is superb. The visuals are awesome. You can discover the workouts and the learning ways are great. You can see your training stats. Here you can check out the sign plans. In more section, you can manage your profile, manage the voice coach, notifications, and so on. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Second on our device is Pedometer. This one is for all. You can set your goal and have learned about the completion of it. Here you can see your steps, mile, calories burned, and time. In my profile, you can add your information like gender, step length, weight, and change the units. You can set the reminder. Language are also changeable. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Third one is Just Dance Now. By dancing, we make happy ourselves. Dance is a great workout. You will get amazing dance steps here. For great experience, you have to set up another screen. Let's check out the dance. And the steps are awesome. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Hey wait, before moving forward, please like this video because your likes motivate me to create more amazing content just like this. Fourth on our device is 7. Most of the workouts are here. The workout sessions are about 7 minutes. You can do workouts by days. Also, it can be best for overall fitness. Here you can see events, all body workouts. You can see your activity. In profile, you can see your achievements, stats, duels, and the 7-month challenge. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Last one is home workout. Best for those who wants to get a good shape at home. The tutorials are great and they will surely help you. Most of the body parts exercises are here. In Discover section, here you will get to know amazing exercises for particular body parts. In Report section, you can track your workout history. In Settings, you can manage the gender, training rest, countdown time, sound options, and much more. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also hit the subscribe button with the notification bell icon to never miss any future video from my side. Thank you.